Nora rubber flooring helps with maintenance because it's a no-wax flooring. A lot of our older flooring areas have the standard VCT tile with wax flooring in it, and the maintenance on those is a lot greater than it is with the Nora flooring. We don't have to wax the floors. It's just a damp mop for the majority of the daily maintenance with it.
The stripping and the waxing would cause kids that had breathing problems, it would exacerbate those issues. So if we had asthmatic kids, or if we had any type of pulmonary child or sensitive kids, we couldn't get the floors clean. The staff would even have reactions from the stripping and the waxing. We don't have any of that now.
We can't close. I mean, we're a 24/7 operation. So now we mop, and it's been amazing the savings that we have seen and the quietness that it has provided for our families and our staff.